Let's start our phonics journey with the letter A, which makes the sound ah, as in apple, ant, and alligator. Next comes B with its bouncy b sound, heard in words like ball, bear, and butterfly. C makes a soft s sound like in city, and a hard k sound like in cat and cake. D goes duh, as in dog, duck, and dinosaur. E says A, as in egg and elephant, but sometimes E as in Eve. F makes the f sound, like in fish, fox, and flower. G can say G, as in grape and gift, or Ju, as in giraffe. H has a hushed huh sound, heard in words like heart, hat, and home. I can say I as in igloo and insect, or I as in ice cream. J jumps with its juh sound in words like jam, juice, and dale, and jelly.